Your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree, your car jerks between gears or refuses to start, and suddenly the mechanic says, "We'll need $200 just to run diagnostics." Hold up. Don't hand them your wallet yet, because most of these mystery problems aren't broken parts at all. They're just confused systems begging for a reset. And today, I'll show you 15 car resets mechanics quietly use every day, but rarely tell you about. Let's save you hundreds and make your car feel brand new again. Reset number 15. The Master Brain Reboot. ECU Hard Reset. Your car's ECU is its brain. And just like your computer, sometimes it gets stuck in a glitch loop. Bad data, slow response, ghost error codes. Dealers love this because they charge you $150 to press reset. Here's how to do it yourself. Turn the ignition off. Pop the hood. Disconnect the negative cable first, then positive. Touch the two cables together for 10 seconds. Leave them off for 20 minutes. Reconnect. Positive first, negative second. Start the car and let it idle for 5 minutes. Boom. Fresh data, smooth throttle, no limp mode. Pro tip. Write down your radio presets before you start. Still idling rough? Let's fix that. Reset number 14. Idle air control relearn. When your car shakes at a stoplight like it just downed 3 espressos, your idle air control system forgot its baseline. Warm the engine till the temp gauge sits mid. Park, let it idle untouched for 5 minutes. Turn on headlights and AC to add load. Wait another 2 minutes. Do not touch the gas. The car will relearn its rhythm and that jittery idle, gone. Now it feels like a smooth heartbeat again. Reset number 13. OBD2 code, refresh check engine light again. Don't panic. Most times it's not disaster, it's data residue. Grab a $20 OBD2 scanner. Plug it into the port under your dash. Key on engine off. Read codes. Note them. Then hit clear. Light off. Problem solved. Mechanics charge over $100 for that exact button press. Pro tip. If the light returns instantly, there's a real issue, but at least now you know. Reset number 12. Infotainment system. Reboot. Your screen freezes. Bluetooth won't connect. GPS thinks you're in the ocean. Sound familiar? You don't need a new module. Just a reset. In your settings, look for factory reset or restore defaults. Confirm, reboot, done. Some cars hide a tiny reset pinhole near the volume knob. Press for 10 seconds till it reboots. Feels like restarting your Wi-Fi router, but for your car. Reset number 11. Throttle position. Sensor recalibration. Press the gas. Hesitation. Let go. RPMs dance like they're possessed. Here's the fix. Key on. Engine off. Press the gas pedal smoothly to the floor. Hold 5 seconds. Release slowly. Repeat twice. Key off. Wait 10 seconds. Start the car and let it idle for 3 minutes. You've just retaught your car how to breathe. Acceleration feels instant again. Pro tip. Go slow and smooth. No quick stomps. Reset number 10. Transmission shift. Relearn your car clings to gears or shifts like a rookie driver? That's old driving data haunting your transmission control module. Key on, foot off, brake, lights on. Hold the gas pedal fully down for 20 seconds. While holding, turn key off. Release the pedal. Wait 2 minutes. Start the engine and drive gently for 15 minutes. The system will learn your style again. Smooth, confident shifts. No dealer required. Reset number 9. Mass airflow sensor refresh. If your engine feels lazy or your mileage tanked, your MAF sensor might just be confused. Disconnect the sensor plug for 5 minutes. Reconnect firmly. Start, let idle for 10 minutes. That's it, the ECU relearns airflow. Bonus tip. Clean the sensor with MAF cleaner before the reset, but never touch the wire inside. It's fragile and expensive. Reset number 8. ABS light. Reset. That amber ABS light screams expensive. Relax, it's usually false data. Turn off the car, pull the ABS fuse, wait 30 seconds, reinsert. Start the engine, light gone? You're done. If not, turn the steering wheel full left, full right, then center. Many cars relearn through that motion. Pro tip, clean your wheel speed sensors. Dirt often triggers false codes. Reset number 7. Tire pressure monitoring reset. That annoying TPMS light after every cold morning? Inflate all tires, including the spare, to the correct door label pressure. Then drive for 10-15 minutes at 30 mph, light should vanish. If not, look for the TPMS reset button, under dash or in menu. Hold till the light blinks 3 times. Done. No $50 tire reset charge needed. Reset number 6. Key fob reprogramming. Your key fob dies and you're locked out. Before rushing to the dealer, try this. Get in, close doors. Insert key. Turn from off to on 5 at 8 times quickly, ending on on. You'll hear a chime. press any button on your fob. Doors lock unlock, program complete. Pro tip, program all fobs in one go or older ones may unpair. Reset number 5, check engine light, reset, manual plus scanner. That orange light ruins your day, but if you've already fixed the cause, you can clear it. Option 1, disconnect the negative battery cable for 10 minutes. Option 2, use your OBD2 scanner and erase codes instantly. If it comes back, now you know the issue's real. Either way, you're in control, not the mechanic. Reset number 4, climate control recalibration, AC blowing hot on one side, cold on the other. That's a confused blend door, not a $600 actuator. Hold defrost and recirculate buttons together for 10 seconds on many models till vents click and cycle. System relearns positions automatically. Or disconnect the battery for 10 minutes, then restart the car and run full hot, then full cold. Reset done. Balanced air again. Reset number 3, immobilizer sync, fix. You turn the key, lights on, but no crank? Your car forgot your key. Insert the original key, turn to on. Hold lock on the fob for 15 seconds. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, then start. If the light disappears, the car recognizes you again. You just avoided a tow bill and dealer fee. Reset number 2, blind spot monitoring. Reset false alerts, random flashes. Your blind spot sensors might just be dirty or confused. Clean the rear bumper sensors first. Then, with ignition on, hold the blind spot button for 10-15 seconds till the indicator blinks. Turn ignition off, restart, drive over 20 mph for a few minutes. System resets on the move. No sensor replacements, just clarity. Reset number 1, power steering calibration. Ever start your car and the steering wheel feels like you're arm wrestling a truck? Modern electric steering often just loses calibration. Ignition on, engine off. Turn wheel full left, full right 2 times. Start engine, let idle 30 seconds. Turn wheel left, right once more, then center. Smooth steering returns instantly. Pro tip, check your battery voltage. Low power can cause stiff steering. And there you have it. 15 car resets that cost you nothing but can save you hundreds. Simple, fast, and mechanic approved. If your car feels off, try these first before paying a shop to diagnose a ghost. You'll be shocked how often the fix is just a reset away. And if you found this useful, don't stop here, because next I'm revealing 17 car maintenance hacks mechanics don't want you to know. Hit that like, drop a comment about which reset saved you money, and I'll see you in the next video.